This is probably one of the least exciting accessories I've ever added to my 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper, but it's also become one of the very ones I appreciate the most every time I clean the car. If you're tired of vacuuming dirt, sand, dog hair, and debris out of the carpet around your door openings, this accessory completely changes that. Most of the time, I'm just grabbing a microfiber towel, giving these a quick wipe, and moving on. I've been living with 3W's complete 9-piece Door Sill Protection Kit for my 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper, and today I want to show you what surprised me, what I'd improve, the installation tips I wish I had known before I started, and whether I think it's actually worth the money. If you've already purchased this kit and you're only here for installation advice, I've added chapters below so you can jump straight there. 3W sent me this kit for review, but as always, these are my honest thoughts after living with it and after installing it twice. Why this made sense for me. Before installing anything, I wanted to start with a very clean slate. If you've watched the channel before, you know we have our rescue dog Zoe. Black carpet loves holding on to dog hair. Before installing these, I used my Tornador and air compressor to blow out all that hair and debris out of the carpet. If you're interested in either of those tools, I've done full reviews on both and I'll link them below. Now here's the thing. I don't think the factory carpet looks bad. I actually like it. The reason I wanted these protectors had nothing to do with the appearance. The protectors are simply easier to clean than carpet. Instead of vacuuming dirt, mud, sand, and pet hair out of carpet fibers, most of the time I just wipe these clean with a microfiber towel and my favorite interior cleaner. For me, that's the entire reason for this product. Now, here's what surprised me. The first day after installing them, I noticed them every single time I opened the door. A few days later, I completely stopped noticing them. Now they honestly feel like they just came with the car. They don't catch my shoes, nothing has shifted. The weather stripping seals exactly like it should. The embossed 3W logo stood out to me at first, but after a few days it just disappears into the background. Now here's my favorite part. The part that surprised me the most was actually the rear cargo sill protector. That rear carpet sees a lot of abuse. Groceries, luggage, detailing equipment, dog gear, whatever you're loading into the trunk eventually slides across it. I also compared it to a less expensive Amazon version. The cheaper version works, but the 3W protector is noticeably more rigid, feels sturdier, and the built-in Velcro helps keep everything securely in place. Since I'm already running the 3W cargo liner, everything matches perfectly and gives the rear cargo area a finished look. One thing I really appreciated, these integrate perfectly with my 3W floor mats. I'm using the version with the optional carpet inserts. Everything seals together nicely, nothing overlaps, nothing bunches up, and everything feels like one complete system instead of separate accessories. Here are some installation tips. Overall, it's an easy install, but here's the first thing I do differently. Remove your floor mats first. I pulled my 3W floor mats before I started, and it gives you so much more room to work around with the weather stripping. If you're curious about the mats, I've got a full review on those too. Here's the second tip. Don't waste your time trying to tuck these underneath the weather stripping with a trim tool. I tried it. Removing the weather stripping completely is actually much easier. Lay the protector in place, press the weather stripping back on, and you're done. It's faster, it's easier. So here's a mistake I made. I installed everything from front to back. By the time I reached the last piece, the seams didn't line up the way I wanted. So I pulled every single piece back off and started all over. The second time, I installed the front section first, then the rear, and finally the middle pieces. That lets you lock in both ends first and then massage the center pieces into place. If you're installing this kit, that's the method I'd recommend. It'll save you from doing the job twice. What I'd improve? Well, nothing's perfect. The seams aren't either. Some joints line up better than others. I spent a few minutes repositioning pieces until I was happy. Once I'd been driving the car for a few days, those little differences just kind of disappeared. If I opened the door today without thinking about it, I'd assume the car came this way. So, would I install these again? Absolutely. Not because they dramatically change how my Model Y looks, because they change how I maintain it. Instead of vacuuming carpet around every door opening and the rear cargo sill, I'm usually just grabbing a microfiber towel. That's a small change, but it's one I appreciate every time I clean the car. Now, if you don't mind vacuuming those carpeted areas, you probably don't need these. However, if you have kids, pets, you track in dirt, or you simply like making your car maintenance a little easier, I think these are a worthwhile upgrade. If you decide to pick up a set, I'll have links to both 3W and Amazon down in the description. I also have a 3W discount code that can save you up to 35% when ordering directly from 3W. Since promotions change all the time, I'd recommend checking out both links before you buy and simply order the ones from whichever gives you the better deal. If you found this review helpful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're into honest Tesla ownership tips, accessories, and real-world reviews, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.